सेकंड प्रिंसिपल है बिल्ड द सिंपलेस्ट आर्किटेक्चर दैट कैन पॉसिबली वर्क। ठीक है, हम लोग सब आसान से आसान आर्किटेक्चर डिजाइन करें जो वर्क कर सके। दिस प्रिंसिपल certainly comes as no surprise even to those new to agile, because agile is famous for its focus on simplicity. What is simplest thing that can possibly work? Attributes to warm Cunningham. If simplicity is good, we will leave the system with the simplest design that supports its current functionality. कैन बैक ने बोला ये याग्नि। ठीक है, does simplicity remains an essential attributes as complexity increases? We believe the answer is yes, and is supported by your or experience in building large scale systems. In most cases, the simplest decision turned out to the best over time. Rallies customers also support this principle. For example, Amazon used Agile and organically grew a system to handle 55 million customer accounts. Werner Vogel's Amazon CTO said, the only way to manage a large distributed system is to keep things as simple as possible. Keep things simple by making sure there are no hidden requirements and hidden dependencies in the design. Cut technology to the minimum you need to solve the problem you have. It does not help the company to create artificial and unneeded layers of the complexity.